What do wheel spacers do on a truck? Most people add wheel spacers to accommodate larger tires. Without them, a larger tire was originally installed will often rub against fenders, usually while the vehicle is turning or on the suspension components. Pushing the tires outward helps mitigate this rubbing. The best wheel spacer size choice, helping you decide what's the best for your vehicle and driving style.
So what size of wheel spacer do I need?
2-inch wheel spacers are usually used for pickup trucks like Ford F150 and specialized wide-body applications. Spacers of this size give your Ford F150 a bold, powerful look, can enhance grip and control. It's vital to opt for high-quality hub-centric spacers and ensure that the vehicle is properly aligned after installation. Choosing the right thickness will depend on your vehicle's requirements and the look you are aiming for. Thinner spacers push the wheels out further, offering a more aggressive stance and better cornering performance due to the wider track. How to correctly install wheel spacers. Step 1. Loosen lug nuts and then use a jack to lift the vehicle. Place jack stands underneath for safety. Step 2. Clean the wheel hub. Use rust remover to clean the wheel hub. This ensures the spacer more closely fitted to the hub. Step 3. Install wheel spacers. Place a BONOSS wheel spacer to the hub. For slip-on wheel spacers, secure it with the nuts. Step 4. Reattach the wheel. Put the wheel back onto the hub and secure it with the original lug nuts. Step 5. Tighten the lug nuts with the right torque. Step 6. Lower the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts again. Check for clearance once the spacer is installed. Turn the steering wheel from side to side to ensure there are no rubbing or clearance issues with the wheels.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.